What's up with y'all, man? Pulse TV here, back with another one. We back on the truck, man. Today we finna try to get this engine ready to come out. So the next time I come out here, the only thing I have to do is hook up to it and pull it out. So today, man, we got headers, fuel pump, couple of wires, and then I got to figure out how I'm gonna actually hook up to the engine. So y'all stay tuned, man. We finna get to it. We finna get up on here and get these headers loose. We're gonna take the start off. We're gonna try to get to these bell housing bolts. And pretty much that's it, man. But you know, y'all just stay tuned. We finna get to work. Alright, so man, we got this header loose. I just took the bolts and stuck them back in there so I ain't lose them. But now we finna get on this old starter. Got two 14 millimeters. And we got to try to finesse this thing past this old line right here. And we should be a little bit closer to getting to the bell housing bolts. I can see a lot of them, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull the starter. Yeah, we're gonna pull it. I was trying to figure, yeah, I'm gonna pull it off. Alright, man, y'all just stay tuned. We finna get to it. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get in a different position to get to this one. Alright, y'all hold tight. Here we go. Let's see. Turn the camera around. See what we got right here. There we go. Get on this thing. Alright. Two bolts out. Starter ready to come down. All we got to do now is get the wires out the back of it, and man, we'll be home free. Bell housing bolts, and I'll probably pull the carburetor off just to have somewhere to attach the chain and all that too. But yeah, man. Let's see. We got it jacked up a little bit now, so I can get up on here a little better to show y'all what's really going on. Right there. I put an oil pan gasket on. That's what all that messy glue is. But yeah, man. There it is. I don't think that thing supposed to be sitting out that far. I think it's supposed to be sitting out that far. I think it should be sitting flush with that with the thing. So anyway, that'll be solved here in just a little while, as soon as we can get this motor out of here. Alright, man, y'all stay tuned. We're finna get this other header loose and probably start taking these torque converter bolts out. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. And here we go on the next header. Next header. And as far as the bell housing bolts go, man, they fairly easy to get to. There go two of them. Might be, I know it's two on the other side, two here, and I probably have to get to the rest of them from the top. And man, I might bring the pressure wash out here, man, and just pressure wash all this just so I can be sure that whatever was leaking, that I stopped it. So I'm gonna probably, when I pull the engine out, bring the pressure wash out here and do a little touch up, man. I ain't trying to make nothing perfect or pretty. Just pressure wash this stuff. Like I got a leak right there too. A little fluid coming out of that. Once again, don't look like a gasket in there. I noticed a lot of this on this truck, man. Whoever did the work on it, they ain't like gaskets. They just like the little gasket maker stuff, man. And it don't seem like it was working too well. So have to get that figured out too while I'm here, and go ahead and fix that. But yeah, man, we already gonna do the transmission pan gasket because it's definitely leaking. And yeah, man, but let's go ahead and get these headers off of here and start working on these bell housing bolts. And the next episode, man, this motor should be coming out. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna try to hold the phone the best I can, but I might have to tune back in when I get to these bottom ones because they're a little bit easier. This top one a little, have to, you know, finesse it a little bit to get it off. So if I can hold it, I'm gonna hold it, but if not, I have to come back in when I get to the bottom one. So here we go. See what we can do. Ugh. Let's see. Nah. Let's see. Almost slipping out though. Come on, man. There we go. Man, I'm telling y'all, man, if y'all ain't got no electric tools or even some air, man, you're working too hard, man. You're working too hard. I would have still been ratcheting right now. Still been ratcheting. On the other side, probably should. Man, this ain't nothing but a little DeWalt, man. Thing little one, man. Little brushless one though. But oh, best believe I'm gonna get me one of them big boy Milwaukee's. I'm gonna get me one. But I know them things are true. But yeah, man, I don't know if this thing gonna fly off here again. Might have to tune back in with y'all in a minute if it fly off here. Yeah, I might have to check back in, man. It won't stay. So alright, so boom, like magic, we done. Man, it's still like it's sitting up there. It's off. It's off. Open header, boy. I need to crack this thing up, see what it sound like. Let's see. Alright. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna direct my attention to the front up there to the fuel pump. So that's what we gonna do next. We gonna pull them fuel lines off and try not to get too much gas in here. But yeah, man, that's what we finna do. Gonna get the fuel lines off up front, and then we're gonna check back in. Alright, man, we here at this dirty old fuel pump. We at the bottom of it. Yeah, still got the old style on the side of the block. But got two lines, got that ain't attached, it's just sitting here. Move that line out the way. We got this one, and we got the return line right there. That's all we got, and that part will be complete, and then it'll be pretty much bell housing bolts and a few plugs and wires here and there. And as you can see, I hadn't touched the motor mounts yet, but they didn't tighten them up, so easier for me, I guess you can say that. Probably was a little dangerous, but pretty sure the motor mounts probably need replacing too, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. But yeah, bolts are already loose. I don't know about the other side. Let's see. I don't know about the back side. It might be loose on that back side. But anyway, man, we finna keep working, and I'm gonna check back in with you. It turned out it wasn't but one line. That line right there. That line right there. It was both of them easy to get to from the top, but that line right there actually goes up to the carburetor. So I ain't got to touch that one. So all we got now is bell housing bolts and these wires off, and probably some wires on the distributor, and that one, and maybe another wire somewhere on the back or some, or a couple vacuum lines and stuff like that. And this thing will be coming out in the next video. I feel real confident that it should be coming out in the next. Hopefully I don't have to pull that fan off the front. Hopefully that'll clear. I want to put some electric fans on here, man, but they ain't in the budget right now. So until then, we're gonna ride with that. We're gonna ride with that old ugly fan there. But anyway, man, Appreciate everybody that subscribed and liked the videos and everything. We're gonna have one more part coming. I got to get a carburetor lift plate. I mean, you know, the lift plate for the intake bolt up there. Got to get that, and then pull the engine out, man, and see what we got going on at the back of it. And probably have to throw some new valve covers on it. Look like they still leaking after I already put you know 2 sets on it. So, but anyway, man, we're gonna get this figured out before the engine go back in. We're gonna pull it out. We're gonna pull it to the side, and we're gonna get it right before it go back in. Anyway, man, appreciate everybody that subscribed once again and liked all the videos and stuff, man. Y'all keep the support coming. I'm gonna keep the videos coming, man. Pulls TV, man, I'm gone.